Greetings, YouTube viewer. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. It is approximately 3:49 a.m. on a Saturday morning. I intended to shoot this video earlier yesterday, but the heat was unbearable. What I've decided to do is mount my GoPro Hero 5 session above my workbench and film an unboxing. I have all kinds of parts and accessories from packages from all around the country that I've been collecting, and I've decided to open up that stuff today, make sure everything is exactly what I ordered. For those keeping track, I'm working on 3 project cars. 1, a Team Losi LXT. 2, a Kyosho Outlaw Ultima Truck. 3, a Tamiya Toyota Hi-lux monster racer. So everything here is going to be for those 3 trucks. But before we get started, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you'd like to be informed when a new video has been uploaded, hit the bell for notifications. Okay, now let's dive into that. I'm going to use my trusty blade and start off with this one. Sabula Tech. Okay, most likely this is going to be those polycarbonate gear covers. I actually have multiple Team Losi trucks. Alright. Nice. Okay, polycarbonate, aka Lexan. This is gonna go to cover where the motor and pinion gear and the spur gear are exposed by the gearbox at the rear of the trucks. Okay, everything looks proper. Wash before painting. Never thought about painting them. I'll probably leave them clear. What I'm gonna do is cut a hole here, and this will serve as the cap there, the cover, to prevent dirt from getting in there. Okay. Boom. Boom. Take aside. GoPro's already acting up. Let's try this. Kenyan Gears, alright. 48 pitch, 13 tooth, 14 tooth, all the way up to 17. Alright, these are going to go on the motors. These are going to go on the motors. Alright. These are, as you can see, these are pinion gears too. You can probably barely see them, but these are of a larger pitch. They're thicker. These are going to go with my Kyosho Ultima Outlaw. Holy crud. Holy wow. Look at how thick that is. Put these aside. And then let's get to the really good stuff. Let's keep going. All right. the blade away from you, not towards you. There we go. Woo! Jackpot over here. Let's see what it got. So pretty. So pretty. Alright. We got two Radon 2 brushed motors by Reedy. Okay. These are going to go in the Kyosho and the Tamiya. And then some Power HD steering servos. Let's take a look there at that box. Beautiful. Beautiful box. Alright. Let's go ahead and snap one of these open to get a look-see. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oof. Beautiful solder job there. Nice. The end bell there. So I've got two of these bad boys. Okay. HD Power steering servo. I heard about these from RC Retro. He installed one in his restored Tamiya King Cab, so I thought I'd give it a shot. High torque metal gear servo. Looks good. Feels solid. Yeah, check that out. Okay, let's see, what are the steering horns? Huh? Put these aside, and we'll finish off with the box from Tamiya. Box from Tamiya. You can hear the can of paint there. Alright, foam paints up the wazoo. Let's see. What do we have here? Alright, Tamiya Colors spray can. This is going to be for that. I'm going to do the box art with the Monster Racer. I'm going to replicate the box art. Let's see. A spiffy, woo! Spiffy Tamiya cap. Wow. This is pretty. This is pretty. Oh, man. Masking tape. Masking tape. body pins. Oh, the body pins were there in the back. Alright, body pins. First can of paint. Sticky cap. Let's stop right here and stay tuned for part 2. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned again for part 2. GoPro, stop recording.